Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain how to check whether the particular string exists or not in the defined range. To accomplish this process, here I am using match function. In sheet 2, we can find some data. Column A consists of the text and column B consists of lookup value. So I am going to search this lookup value in column A. First I am using match function equivalent to match. This function consists of three functional arguments. Coming to lookup value, I am considering B3 cell. Thereafter, I am considering the range which exists in column A. Next, press F4 to freeze the range. Thereafter, here I am selecting 0, means I want exact match. Always remember, lookup function returns value. Coming to match function, returns either row number or column number. So here, application returned row number. Orange exists in third row in the selected range. Grapes exists fourth row. As data doesn't exist, application returned NA. Next I am using count function. Here count is 0 to the last 3 rows. Finally, I am using if function. If count is greater than 0, then data exists, else data doesn't exist. Here I am retrieving the formula. In this way, we can conclude whether the data exists or not in the defined range by using match function. Thanks for watching.